So we'll just, I guess, see who's from our female category, right? Would it better to announce it tomorrow? I don't think so, yeah. I mean, our audiences have been waiting. We have to give them a winner, right? I just posted a WhatsApp status. So the winner from the female category of Miss Nongstoin College is, guess who? Yes! Hey, it's okay, let us do the job for you guys, to make it easy. So the winner of Miss Nongstoin College 2024 is Miss Iwanikota Nongstoin!
Give it up for the one and only Miss Iwanikota Nongstoin!
And from the male category for Master Nongstoin College 2024, give it up for Mr. Ben Shailan Sasha!
Make some noise!
So a request, previous year's winners, Aprisha Nongsi and Eric Nitik Mumbai, to please do the honor of crowning a champion.
It was a big moment for them. Two of the former winner, Miss Master of Nongstoin College for 2022, being crowned to the new winner of this 2024. This is a big moment for them. Let's give a huge round of applause. Make some noise. They are the new winner of the Miss and Master Nongstoin College 2024. This was an absolute moment. Two of the winners of 2022 take a great walk in front of the Nongstoin College. Give a big round of applause.
Make some noise, everybody!
Now we have our new champion being crowned today. Welcome, welcome. Huge round of applause. This is the moment. Congratulations.
Our second runners-up winners,
One Shailan and Diwan Dondon. Huge round of applause.
our first runners-up.
Big round of applause.
And last but not the least, our
We have come to an end, and we found a new winner of the Miss and Miss Nongstoin College of the 2024. So this is where we come to an end of this event.